Many thanks for joining us tonight on TVC News at 10. I am Abosedi Adeniradoremi. Let's start off with judicial matters. A federal high court in Abuja has restrained the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC from recognizing the outcome of the forthcoming 2025 National Convention of the People's Democratic Party, PDP. Justice James Omotosho delivering judgment in a suit challenging the legality of the convention predicated his decision on the grounds that the PDP failed to comply with relevant conditions and laws for the conduct of such conventions. Justice Omotosho also stops the planned convention until the party complies with its statutory laws. The judge held that evidence from the electoral umpire and some of the respondents showed that congresses were not held in some states of the Federation in breach of the law. In addition, the court held that the signing of notices and correspondence of the PDP by its national chairman without the national secretary violated the law and consequently made such notices and correspondences a nullity. Besides, Justice Omotosho held that the PDP failed to issue the mandatory 21 days notice of meetings and congresses to enable INEC carry out its mandatory duty of monitoring such meetings and congresses.
The take-home is that political parties, for now, must follow the provisions of the Electoral Act, and that INEC, importantly, has a role to supervise the conduct of conventions of political parties to ensure that they meet up with democratic norms and principles. So
we just had the judgment, and as a law-abiding citizens, we have noted it, not that it has gone down well with us. Definitely, this is not what we expect. We will appeal it, let it be on the record, and that three people cannot subvert democracy.
They were just trying to justify the unjustifiable, and of course, praising or celebrating impunity, and of course, interference in the internal affairs of parties, and even placing saboteurs within the realm of political parties.
We have been vindicated. Yes. Vindicated that we stood for democracy, we stood to deepen internal democracy in our party, and we stood for the right thing.
No amount of advocacy that can withstand a legal fact. We went to court to stop impunity in our party. The problem we have is arbitrariness in our party.